Hello, you join me in my workshop shed and a bit of a different video today. I've got to fix my MacBook Pro and my Dyson vacuum. Thanks for watching. I need to fix this vacuum. It's a Dyson V6 and I've done it once before. The brush roller gets caught up in hairs and muck and all sorts. Restricts the motor and then cuts out. So I've done it once before, so let's see if I can do it again. I don't want to throw it out. Everything else is working okay on it. New battery on it not so long ago, so let's get on with it. So there's all the components all stripped down, cleaned out, removed all the hair that was tangled up, which was restricting the roller from turning. Now, let's put it back together. Get on with it. So there we are, all done. Hopefully it works. I'm just going to charge the battery up. Let's give it charged up and see if it works. I not long got this used MacBook Pro, mid 2012. The reason I got it second hand was because you can upgrade them quite easily. So I put a solid state hard drive in there and extra RAM, and it's super fast. So I'm happy with that. But it's got, it had stickers all over the front decals. So I'm going to clean that off first, and then I'm going to fix the charger. So as you can see, it's had stickers on there. They've peeled them off. It's left this residue. So what I've got is some Bond Lock, which is super glue debonder. I don't think that's super glue, but it's worth a try. Okay, so what I think I'm going to do first is put a few squirts in affected areas. Minutes and see what happens. While I'm waiting for that to soak in, move on to the charger. And the charger has been taped up, so the edges were obviously fraying. So the plan is I'll peel this off carefully, not to make any more damage, and also on here as well. I'm going to use heat shrink. Now I've got some heat shrink that's, it closes up to about twice, well, half the size, 2-to-1 ratio, so which is okay. I've got various sizes as in here, so various 1mm up to 10mm, but the reason why it's got to go over here first, so I think I'll have to use the 10mm. It's whether it closes enough to pinch onto there. I might do a test run first just to see how much it closes up by. Okay, so I've done a test run. That's the 10mm heat shrink there. So enough to go over. Just enough to go over the charger. That's fine. Just how much it closes up by. So I've done a test run, and it reduces to that. Use the heat gun. That's quite a bit less, I think, than yeah, just less than half the size. But I'm thinking, is it going to be enough to clamp on there? Probably not. So what I might do is take this off, put some insulation tape, some new insulation tape, and then go over the top of the insulation tape. And I'll do the same on the charger end. Okay, so there it is. Not as bad as I thought, really, but yeah. So let's wrap some insulation tape around there. going to put two on here, slide one onto the other. Yeah, slide one into the other, give it a bit more length. It can fit over like that. Okay, so I've left that on there for about 5 minutes now. Let's see if anything comes off. Oh yeah, straight away. Am I taking off the grey paint as well though? Seems to be okay. Yeah, it's getting all, yeah, that's coming off well. Great. Yeah, blue was coming off the cloth, but no problem. Seems to be working, that's the main thing. There. Take the lid off. It would help. Right, so leave that for a little while and come back to it. By the way, this is the heat gun made by Parkside, and it's got some other tricks up its sleeve. You can actually turn this into a long-handled weed burner as well. But yeah, I use it, my device is there, and then I use my pillar drill to stand it up. Okay, so back to the glue remover. Yeah, it's taking more off now. Glue's gone blue off the other cloth. Right, let's get this proper wipe down and we should be done. Right, I'm just using a multi-surface wipe, which seems to be taking up the rest of the glue now, the residue of it. Bit of glue on there still from this, but I suppose it's a good way of highlighting where the glue is, so you can see it coming off. You know you've got it all up when the cloth stops going blue. It's still blue. Let's get one more cloth and see what happens. Hopefully there's no blue left on there. No blue. Brilliant. I'm happy with that. Okay, so all done. Here's the charger. Here's the other end. Green light on. Orange light on. Great. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. Thank you for all my new subscribers and my existing subscribers. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Take care. Cheers.